to uncover the truth and to not keeping in silence. We choose to turn a blind eye and keep our voice in silence. Are we simply blind or blinded by the government? Like a wolf in the sheep's clothing, attempting to blend, and with others whispering empty promises within our ears, attracting us like a vice. I hear you, we feel you, we see you, I empathize with you. But do they really mean the word they work so hard and empathize and memorize? We are governed by the corrupt politician who has known nothing but to steal the people's money. And now that the truth was been exposed, we Filipinos has tried to protest against them. It is time to let our voice be heard and show them our anger, because we deserve it and all we have rights to do. Things particularly to that. And always remember, your voice matter.
Iniibig niyo ba ang bayang ito?
Bayan o sarili, pumili ka!
Mas magandang mamatay sa digmaan kesa tanggapin ang pamumuno ng dayuhan. Managinip lamang ang umasa sa pagmulad. Managinip tayo hanggang sa kamatayan.
Ang aking hangganan ay ipapamalas ko sa'yo.
Kinakailangan muna ng isang malaking bagyo bago sila makaranas ng pagtaas ng tubig. Ngayon, kaunting ihilang ng ulan, binabaha na sa kanilang lipunan. Bakit? Dahil dyan sa DPWH na nilalagakan ng trilyon na pondo. Pumapalakpak ang mga bulsa ng kongresista. Mga kababayan, galit na ba kayo?
Tayo rin we don't speak up The Filipino people just simply opt to be silent.
May pag-asa po ba tayo?
Meron pa naman.